Hey everybody, today I've got a 2016 Lincoln MKX. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light on it. So on this car here, you can go ahead and step on the brake and it's got a push button. Go ahead and start the car up. And now over here where the tach is, see it says change oil soon. So you can press OK. And see right now, the tach is there. So we're going to use these buttons over here. So go ahead and press over to the right. And now it comes up with, you know, your trip, fuel economy, driver assistance settings. So you come down to settings, press OK. You want to be on vehicle, press OK. Then you scroll on down to oil life, press OK. Hold OK to reset. So just go ahead and hold OK and you get the line. Boom, reset successful. All right, everybody, that's how you reset the oil life on a 2016 Lincoln MKX. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there, and we'll talk to y'all later.